Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today's video is about how to make black salt or protection salt to protect us from all negative energies and negative people. For this, you will need an iron vessel, okay, and you will need sea salt, that is rock salt, 2 spoon, okay. Next, you will need charcoal powder. You can powder this at home also. 1 spoon and 1 spoon black pepper powder and 1 spoon iron roasted table salt. That is, you will take normal salt and you will roast it in an iron pan or an iron vessel only. This takes few hours, so have patience while roasting. Once the color changes of the normal salt, you will stop roasting it and cool it down and then you will use it. So these are the things you will need, and you will mix all these ingredients in this iron vessel. What I would suggest is when you are making this first time, make it in a small quantity so that you get an idea of how much quantity you need for the next time. Okay? And after you mix it, you will take a tea light candle or a diya clay lamp, and you will use eucalyptus oil, nilgiri oil, okay, and you will keep this diya over the salt, and then you will charge this. For this, what you will do, keep both your hands over it and just pray to whichever god or goddess you believe in, and you will say, "Dear God, goddess, bless this salt with your energies and let this bowl stay in that place until the candle or the diya is completely burnt. Once it is completely burnt, you will store it in any glass jar, okay, and you can make this protection salt or this black salt on new moon day or on a full moon day, and on every full moon day you will charge this salt, okay. You can make it anytime on these 2 days, and I have made a video on how to use this salt and its benefit. You can watch it at the end of this video. If you have any doubt, then write it in the comment section, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.